Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the role of AI and its influence on bill to pay in a contact center. Let's explore how artificial intelligence directly enhances the bill-to-pay ratio by reducing wage dependency, that is, by making every wage dollar work harder and smarter. First, AI containment and resolution. Chatbots, IVRPs, and voice bots are increasingly handling routine, repetitive contacts without the need for a human agent. This deflection means fewer FTE wages are required for the same or even higher volume of interactions. Second, AI Agent Assist, often called Copilot. By suggesting real-time responses, autofilling CRM fields, and summarizing calls, AI slashes average handle time. This boosts wage productivity by ensuring agents spend more time resolving and less time typing or searching. Third, robotic process automation, or RPA. Repetitive after-call work and back-office processes can be automated with precision. The result? Less manual effort per contact, lower staffing needs, and faster turnaround times. Fourth, AI-driven workforce management. AI ensures optimized schedules, reduced overtime reliance, and minimized idle paid hours, maximizing how wage hours are utilized. The bottom line, AI reduces reliance on raw labor to drive performance. By improving productivity per wage dollar, it strengthens the bill-to-pay ratio and enhances overall operational efficiency. Now let's look at how artificial intelligence plays a critical role in safeguarding and growing the billing numerator, the revenue side of the bill-to-pay ratio. First, SLA protection with predictive AI. AI continuously monitors cues and predicts potential SLA risks before they escalate. By enabling proactive interventions, it helps prevent penalties and revenue losses that can eat into billings. Second, AI-powered analytics. Advanced analytics surface powerful insights, such as early churn predictors, upsell and cross-sell opportunities, or customer value segmentation. These insights help justify premium pricing and sustain higher billing rates. Third, outcome-based enablement. In outcome-based contracts, AI drives measurable performance improvements like better conversion rates, higher collection yields, or stronger retention. This directly increases billable revenue tied to outcomes, not just effort. The result? AI doesn't just protect your billing stream, it can actively grow it. By securing SLA performance, enhancing pricing justification, and boosting outcomes, AI fortifies the numerator side of the bill-to-pay ratio. Another powerful way AI strengthens the bill-to-pay ratio is by improving workforce stability, making pay costs more predictable and efficient. First, AI-driven coaching and performance dashboards. AI delivers personalized, real-time feedback to agents and enables targeted coaching interventions. This tailored support helps reduce attrition, lowering rehiring and training costs, often hidden but significant pay expenses. Second, sentiment monitoring for agents. AI continuously listens for indicators of stress, fatigue, or burnout. When risk signals are detected early, leaders can balance workloads, provide timely support, and prevent unnecessary exits. The outcome, a more stable workforce means fewer fluctuations in labor cost, stronger retention, and better utilization of every wage dollar, directly protecting the denominator efficiency in the bill-to-pay ratio. Beyond efficiency and cost control, artificial intelligence plays a strategic role in elevating the value proposition, allowing vendors to command premium pricing. First, enhanced customer experience insights. Through sentiment analysis, voice of customer intelligence, and predictive analytics, AI enables vendors to understand customers at a deeper level. This positions the vendor not just as an execution partner, but as a strategic ally driving measurable business outcomes. Second, differentiated AI capabilities. When vendors deploy advanced AI solutions, they create a clear performance gap between themselves and competitors who don't. This differentiation allows them to justify higher bill rates with confidence. The impact: AI doesn't just make operations smarter, it elevates commercial value. By proving tangible impact, vendors can push the numerator upward in the bill-to-pay ratio, strengthening both revenue and strategic positioning. Another critical dimension where artificial intelligence strengthens the bill-to-pay ratio is through proactive risk and compliance management, safeguarding both costs and revenues. First, AI for compliance automation. AI systems can automatically detect potential regulatory breaches, whether related to GDPR, HIPAA, DNC violations, or other compliance frameworks. By catching issues early, organizations spend far fewer wage hours on lengthy audits and manual checks. Second, error reduction. AI reduces the likelihood of human errors in sensitive compliance processes. Fewer mistakes mean fewer penalties, revenue deductions, and compliance-related escalations. The result? AI prevents unnecessary denominator inflation from extra compliance labor and shields the numerator from penalty cuts, protecting profitability on both sides of the bill-to-pay equation. Let's bring it all together. Artificial intelligence strengthens the bill-to-pay ratio by working powerfully on both sides of the equation, the denominator and the numerator. On the denominator side, the pay side, AI reduces wage dependency through intelligent automation, real-time agent assist, and advanced workforce management optimization. This means every wage dollar works harder, improving cost efficiency. On the numerator side, the bill side, AI protects revenue streams by preventing SLA penalties, enabling premium pricing through differentiated value, and boosting performance in outcome-based contracts. This means billing remains stable and can even grow. Strategically, AI strengthens the foundation. By improving workforce stability, reducing compliance risks, and enhancing client confidence, it makes the bill-to-pay ratio not just higher, but more sustainable over time. The bottom line: AI helps shift the bill-to-pay ratio into a healthier range, typically 1.8 to 2.2 offshore, and 1.3 to 1.6 onshore, ensuring a strong balance of profitability, employee stability, and client trust. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.